In this video, I'll show you how to see transaction list in QuickBooks. Start by signing in to your QuickBooks online account. I'm already logged in, but on your end, you'll first see a sign in page. Enter your credentials to access your company dashboard. Once you're inside QuickBooks, go to the Reports section. If you're using Accountant View, simply click Reports from the left navigation menu. At the top of the Reports page, click the search bar and type Transaction List by Date. Select the report when it appears. QuickBooks will open the report and display a chronological list of transactions recorded in your company file. Near the top of the page, you'll find a date range selector. Choose the period you want to review, such as this week, this month, this year, or a custom range. After selecting a date, click Refresh to see the changes in the report. The report will show information such as the transaction date, transaction type, reference number, payee, account, memo, split account, and amount. If you're looking for specific transactions, click the Customize button near the top right. From there, you can filter the report by name, customer, vendor, account, transaction type, or other criteria depending on your QuickBooks setup. Click Refresh to see the changes in the report again. You can also export the transaction list to Excel or download it as a PDF using the export icon at the top of the report. The transaction list by date report is useful for reviewing recent activity, investigating specific entries, and maintaining accurate financial records. And that's how to see transaction list in QuickBooks.